Hey everybody, this is Carly, here to kind of walk you through a computation worksheet creator that I have found to be really easy and helpful for creating problems so you don't have to think of the numbers on your own. So let's say I wanted to create a multiplication probe. So you see all four operations are here. If you wanted to mix skills, you click there, and I will show you that then. So multiplication. And I want, let's say for an older kid, I'm working on 2-digit numbers times 1 digit without having to do regrouping, or if you want regrouping. Let's do regrouping. Here is where you figure out how many problems you want. So this 3 columns of 3 will be 9. Maybe I only want to do 4 problems with them today, so I'm going to do 2 by 2, and I might want to make sure the numbers are bigger, so I'll pick extra large. Single skill computation probe creates it. It automatically creates and pops up a student copy and an answer key for you. So like I said, this is what you could have up and share your screen with the student you're working on, have them work through it on a piece of paper, show you, and you can check their answers with the answer key that you either have printed out or the answers written down, so of course, or save it to share with the student when it's ready. You wouldn't obviously want to give the answers away. So going back, I want to show you so subtraction. A lot of you might also have subtraction with regrouping goals to worry about. So it tells you how many digits. So you just pay attention to it says no regrouping or regrouping, and it tells you from what place values. So just you want to make sure you're clicking on something that aligns with what that kid is working on. If you want something that's mixed between either, like let's say you wanted to do some subtraction with regrouping, some without regrouping. This is where you could get a mix if you're trying to practice that with your kids. It doesn't let you pick more than 5 skills, so that's the only thing to think on. And it's that now it says multiple skill computation probe, but it's the same magic button. And I'm sorry, it's at the top on here. How many rows? So like I would say 4 problems is probably what you want to shoot for. So I'd go 2, 2, either extra large, or if you wanted even larger, an extra large font so the kids can really see it well. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me through my email if you have questions. So again, this is Carly. This is a really easy website to get computation practice so you guys don't have to come up with the problems, and it automatically gives you the answers. So it really couldn't be a better resource for you guys. So let me know if you need anything. Thanks.